Oh. May camel. Hi, camel. Ay, hindi yan camel, ate ko. Oh my gosh. Alam mo pala yun. Camel. Gusto ko yung pink na biome. Juicy. Wait, di pa ako nakikita ng camel sa Minecraft. Anong vindicator? Ano yan? Vex. I think I've seen that, pero try natin ulit. Sige. What about this? Oh, what is this? Look at this! Sian, look at this! Oh, what the freak? Wait, nasa na? Vex yan, Vex. What the fuck? What is this? This is amazing. Wow. Oh. Oh, camel, oh. Camel, oh. Ngayon lang ko nakikita ng camel, oh. Hala, nag-spawn pa naman ako ng vindicator. Brush? What's this supposed to do? Brush? Oh, sorry. How do you brush it? Oh. Oh, I can brush them like that. Wait lang. Let me brush you. Let me brush. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I brush them like this. How do you brush? Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. So I can just brush them like this. Oh, sorry. Oh my shit. Decorated pot. May decorated pot na dito. Oh, you can do that. Wait lang. Dirt siya. Ito wala. Ay po. Oh, so papaluin ko lang. Ayun. Wow, ba't siyang music instrument? Ano to? Oh! Uy! Uy, may new weapon pala. Okay, I'm not gonna kill this ship. Paano yung mga mod na inano kanina? Okay, ito papatayin ko to. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a weapon. And then my wolf armor. May wolf armor na. Oh! Bundles! Anong bundles? What's this? What's this supposed to do? Ano to? Can you keep things here? How do you do that? What? How do you use this? Whatever. Wind charge. What's this? How do you use this? Wait, alam ko may warden. May warden. What's that? Where do you see that? Warden. Wait, search pa. Oh, there we go. Warden. Wow. Ang alam ko, malaki yung mga warden. Oh. That was not a good idea. Okay, bye-bye.